I can't wait to see your pictures, what you drew, and what you colored of what you're going to look like when you grow up. We'll share that in a morning meeting. So now we're going to focus on our Saxon math. Let's pull out our pages here, and we will go to worksheet 25A. You'll see at the top that it has the number 23. Okay, so we're going to curve around, start by curving around and writing our number 2, and then right next to it is a 3. You're going to say 23. Okay, let's do that one more time. 23, and then one more time. 23. Okay, there you go. So 3 times we've written the number 23. Okay, if you need more time to write those, go ahead and pause the video. Okay, now number 2. Okay, on number 2 it says, in the morning, Barbara drew 2 pictures for her book. Okay, so I'm going to circle the 2. That 2 is going to be an important number for this problem. In the afternoon, Barbara drew 4 more pictures. Okay, so the key words there is 4 more. Draw the pictures and write a number sentence to show the number of pictures Barbara drew for her book. Okay, so we're going to just use squares to be the pictures right now. As mathematicians, we're going to just show the square shape. So first she drew 2. 1, 2. She drew 2 pictures of squares. Then you need to put your plus sign. That more is a clue to us to tell us we're talking about addition or plus. This is a plus problem. So then we need to do 4 more pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4. So as I am drawing those squares, I am counting 2. Okay, so this is something new down here. We have to write a number sentence. Okay, so right below on this line, that's what that says, number sentence. So how do we write a number sentence from that picture? So we have to count 1, 2, write our 2 right here. We're writing an addition problem. We have to bring down the plus sign, right? Write that plus sign again. And then now we need to write the number of squares on this side of the plus sign. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So our number sentence here is 2 plus 4. Okay? So go ahead and make sure that your paper looks like this, where you've drawn the 2 squares plus 4 squares. And then you're going to write your number sentence, 2 plus 4. So how many pictures did Barbara draw? So we're solving for 2 plus 4. So 2 plus 4, you don't have to guess. You can just go back and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 plus 4 is 6, so we write that right there. And then we've solved our word problem, okay? Right. For number 3, you're going to need some crayons, okay? So the first crayon you're going to need is your red crayon. And I'm going to look for mine while you are looking for yours. There it is, okay. So what it's telling me to do first, I'm going to underline the word red right there. Color the triangles red. Remember the triangles. How many sides do a triangle have? A triangle only has 3 sides. So look, 1, 2, 3. This is our first triangle right here. And even when I color it, I can go 1, 2, 3. And there's those 3 sides. 3 sides, 3 angles. Okay. So, oh, there's another one right there. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides, 3 angles. So I'm going to color those red. Okay. All right. Then I need to find a blue crayon. So I'm going to put my red crayon back, and I'm going to find a blue crayon. And there it is. There's my blue. I'm going to underline this blue. So now it says color the circles blue. The circles. So I see a big one right there in the middle. So I'm going to have to circle that. A circle is one continuous line that connects together, and then it has no angles, okay? So it's round, okay? Another shape that's round is an oval, right? So I'm going to go ahead. So 1, 2, 3. 3 circles. Okay, so make sure you found 3 circles. And then the last the last question or directions say, color the rectangles yellow. So rectangles are different than squares because they have 2 long sides and 2 short sides. They're the same as squares though because they have 4 angles or 4 corners, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and count as I outline. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm going to color that one in. And then look at this one. This rectangle is very tall and very skinny. It still has the 4 sides, and you can easily see 2 long sides, 2 short sides. So we're going to color that in. There. And that's it. That's all we have to do with this area right there. Your little cloud and your hexagon are going to stay uncolored here. Okay, number 4. We are working with positions here, okay? So the first direction here says write the letter O in the 3rd square. So you have to count over 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and write an O, just like that, okay? The next direction here says write the letter S in the 1st square. So first is right here. We're writing the letter S. The next direction says write the letter P in the 4th square. So let's count over to the 4th square. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. And I'm going to write my letter P. Okay. And then the last direction here says write the letter T in the 2nd square. 1st, 2nd. So I'm writing my letter T. And we can read that word. That is a real word. Stop, stop, stop. That's it. We're stopping now because we're finished with this lesson, and you can give yourself an exit ticket. Great job. Okay, go ahead and close this up and put this away. We still have another lesson to do in this booklet, so this will not come back to me today, and we're going to get ready for our next lesson.